Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video, and in this I'm going to write a program of taking input from the user. Let's start. First I will make a variable n which will take only input integer. So then I will write scanf, or first I will write printer, and it says enter the value in n. Then backslash n. Now the first statement is complete. Then I will write scanf. Okay. Then I will write modular g in it, then and n. So now this statement is also complete, and at then I will write printer, and here I will write modular d, and at that I will write n. So yes, the program is complete, and here I've written scanf. Basically, modulus d is used for integers, and n is basically we are giving or we are commanding the code to store the value in n. So basically, it is taking the value from the user and it is storing it in n. And here we are printing the value stored in n. Basically, add is used for address. So yes, now I am inputting the value, entering the value, and yes, the value 5 is printed.